horsepower. All of the horses in here. All the horses. How much horsepower does all of them?
All of them.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you guys might have seen this coming. We've talked about this a couple times on the channel, and I would like to introduce you guys a new project car for the channel. And it's not what you think. This is not mine. This is actually going to be my sister's. This 1993 Mazda Miata that we bought 2 days ago?
Yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yesterday. Oh, it was yesterday.
Yeah.
Talked about Melissa wanting to get a Miata for a very long time, and the last, what, 4, 5 months we talked about this. And then it wasn't until like maybe 2 months when we really started looking, maybe 3.
I feel like we've been looking since the beginning of COVID, actually.
Since the beginning of like 2019.
We saw one that wouldn't shift good to 5th gear. Remember?
Oh, that's right. I remember that one.
For more money.
They're asking like $6 grand for that one.
For that one compared to this one.
So this video is just going to be us introducing the car and how it happened. And it's funny because we looked around for a good while. She ended up finding this one. Obviously, it's not in the best state. It looks rough.
It's my bucket.
But it's a bucket. But you cross it off your bucket list.
Yes.
And let me show you guys why I actually told her to get this specific Miata versus the other ones that were overpriced. Look at the interior. It's stock. Look, stock seats. There is no rips whatsoever in here. Stock steering wheel, stock shifter, all the gauges work. I mean, you guys don't see it right now, but all the gauges work. Pop-up headlights work. So obviously this is not my car, but I did do a post the other day, and if you guys wanted to see more of this car, you were down to watch it. But here's the thing, turn it off all the way, that because the lights are still on. I'm still going to get my 8th gen or 9th gen. I'm still going to be looking into getting back into a K-Series. I wanted to help her get this car, as in helping her look for it. She's the one that fully paid it off all on her own. Stock motor, stock transmission. It's still on stock suspension. Came with its stock wheels that we're going to swap over. Stock exhaust that it still has that we're going to swap over. And the interior is spotless, which you guys saw earlier in the other clip. All the other Miatas that we looked at, 1, overpriced. 2, they were already modded. And she didn't want a car already modded. And 3, the interior was destroyed or some unexpected. I told Melissa, look, this is what you need to tell the person. I already test drove it. This is what's wrong with it. And I think it's worth this much. She ended up telling the person that, and they gave us another offer lower than what we said we wouldn't pass. And we jumped on it. So she said, sold. We ended up picking up yesterday, and in the meantime we're going to be doing little maintenance things to make sure it gets up and running. There's a lot we need to do. There's a lot we need to do to the car, and I believe one of the biggest things she wants to do is get the paint back, and we're actually going to keep the original red paint color. It drives flawlessly. There's nothing wrong with it mechanically from right now.
It's my size. I mean, you've seen me drive my Hyundai and even the Civic that my boyfriend has, and I'm like, this, I can actually, it's like my level. It's cute. It's a fun, cute car. Like, how can you say no to this? This is so cute. It's so cute.
What do you want to do to it in the meantime? Like,
well, first I want to fix all the stuff that we can fix first, like what you said, what the radiator and stuff like that. Power steering. That way I can actually drive it. Power steering
was probably going to be hit and miss, but we'll look into the power steering. Yeah. Because there's no power steering in this car, guys. So
yeah,
we'll figure out how to
drive it.
We'll figure that out in the long run.
But yeah, I mean, I really want to do a nice paint job to it.
So pretty much get the color back, get it on stock formation, give it a better suspension.
Yeah, and then
just basic stuff.
Yeah.
Let's first get the ball rolling on the car.
Yeah.
And we'll make sure we pass his inspection, the Tony and Hector inspection.
Yeah. Yeah, Tony and Hex.
Hector is definitely going to slide this around.
He's fangirling, bro. I'm fangirling. Every time I see Miata, I'm like, oh my god, it's a Miata. Now it's like, oh my god, I have a Miata. Like.
Anyways, guys, that's going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to let you guys know that I did help my sister find and pick out a Miata that we're going to be putting on the channel every now and then. Whenever we do install videos, even some maintenance on the car, we'll go ahead and start doing that on the channel. I am going to be doing some videos off camera because it is a stick shift and she does know how to drive stick, But the main reason why she wanted to get this car as well as make it into a stick shift is because she can't just depend on my car to practice. So we actually were able to get her a car so that she can practice on. So this is gonna be all entirely hers, and she's gonna be practicing off camera. I'm gonna be helping her, and we're gonna be doing all the little things that's wrong with the car and get it up and rolling. That way it's up to her standards, and pretty much it. So quick and easy video, guys. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know this is not the project car you guys wanted, but trust me, mine is coming. This is just in the meantime right now so I can help her out since she's been helping me out a lot in the side, okay? I will see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.